5-minute nighttime Bible stories. The New Testament. Birds and flowers. People loved to hear what Jesus knew about God. Everybody loved to be near him and listen to his words. People had never before heard anyone who knew this much about God's love. One day, Jesus was teaching on the side of a mountain. Young and old people, they had all come to listen to Jesus, and they sat down on the ground around him. "Look at the birds," Jesus said. What kind of people came to listen to Jesus? "Look at the birds," Jesus said. "Do they build barns and store their food? No. God feeds them every day. Look at these wild flowers. Where do they get their lovely clothes? Do they work every day to earn money to buy them? No. God dresses them in the most fantastic and beautiful colors. To God, you are so much more important than all the birds and all the flowers on earth. God takes care of the flowers and the birds. He will also take care of you every day. Dear God, thank you for thinking about me every day.